Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove yourself as an admin from a Facebook page. Now, whether you're on an iPhone, Android, or computer, and you want to remove yourself and no longer be the admin, I'm going to show you a foolproof way to get that done, no matter what device you're on. Now, open up the Facebook app or go to facebook.com. We need to switch as managing as the page itself. So tap on menu at the bottom right, that little profile button, or it might be at the top right of your device. Tap on the drop down arrow at the top right. Tap on the page that you wanted to remove yourself as the admin for. You can see now I'm switched to managing as that page. Tap on the menu button or profile button at the bottom right. Scroll down, tap on settings and privacy. Tap on Settings at the top, scroll down, tap on Page Setup, tap on Page Access. Here you'll be able to see people with Facebook access as well as business portfolios. If you see your name on here or you, in addition to other people, you can always remove yourself by tapping on those three dots. And you should be able to see remove access on here. Again, keep in mind, you do need to have multiple people on here. Of course, if you remove yourself and there's no one else to manage it, then that is essentially not possible. You'll instead have to deactivate or delete the page. To either deactivate or delete the page, tap on the back arrow at the top left, tap on the back arrow again, scroll down, tap on Access and Control. And here you can see to deactivate your Facebook page, unpublish the page, or delete the page. Just tap on that, tap on Continue, and go through these steps to be able to delete the page if you're not able to remove yourself as an admin. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like it. Thanks, guys.